It's another gorgeous, breezy, windy day out here in Arizona, and we are in Waddell, Arizona, in a brand spanking new community. And I mean brand spanking new. They just recently had their grand opening. Waddell, Arizona, the community is called White Tank Vistas, and the builder is Mattamy Homes. We've got a really nice home to show you, but what's really nice about this area, if you are an outdoor enthusiast, if you like hiking and biking and living near the mountains, you're going to like being near the White Tank Mountains. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. And again, the beautiful home, the beautiful mountains, it's nice out here. Waddell, Arizona. Mattamy Homes is the builder. White Tank Vistas is a community, and you're a realtor, me, Mary Kay Marino. I would be so honored to work for you. But let's not waste any more of your time. Let's just go show you this beautiful home. And remember, leave me a comment below. And now let's go. And that's the view of the White Tank Mountains out here. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, you love to hike, you love to bike, you just love to be near outdoors, you definitely may want to consider this. That's how close the mountains are to this community. It's really nice, especially at sunset. They turn that purpley pink color. It's absolutely beautiful out here. Alrighty now, so we're standing in front of the Aqua. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage, as you can see. 1837 square feet for the base price of $454,990. It's actually a very cute home. Let's go in and check it out. You might actually like it. Alrighty now, so mosey on up to the front door, and we all know what it says. It says, come on in. Hello. So let's go ahead and go on in, show you this nice home. It is a nice home, actually. Mattamy makes a very nice home. Standing right here in the front door, we're going to turn to the left, and right on the other side here are going to be both of your guest bedrooms are over here. So walking around and horseshoeing all the way up and around, this is the front bedroom. 2 nice windows up here, and it does have slider door closets. It's a nice size bedroom, actually. They're showing it as an office. And then backing up, right next to it is the shared bathroom. 2 sinks, which is, in my opinion, a plus. Nice window out to the side. And then they're also showing it with a tub and shower combination. Of course, if you're going to build from the ground up and you don't want that, you want a walk-in shower, you most certainly can do that. That would just be an added upgrade onto that base price. And right around the corner is going to be your toilet. And then right over here is going to be, I'll show it to you, your linen. I'll go all the way up for you. Wow, that's nice. Another angle at the vanity right here. And then go all the way up. And then walk on by. And of course, hello. I hope you're having a marvelous day. So walking out of this section here, we're going to turn to the left. And now we're going to go into bedroom number 2. Nice size room. Window out to the side again. And of course, slider door closets. So this is a very nice size room. And then backing up, here we go. I'm going to give you a recap, but I'm going to back up all the way to the front door so you can get some sort of orientation of what it looks like. So there's front door, horseshoe all around, bedroom number 1, shared bathroom, bedroom number 2. And now we're going to back up against the front door. Oh, let me back up and show you one more time. You have this area right here. If you wanted to put like a table there, a greeting table, you can do that. Or a nice piece of artwork like they've done. So we're going to walk on down the hallway. Right here is your coat closet. You know, for all those cold and blistery, cold, wintry days that we have here that last about a week. And then we're going to walk on down, turn to the right. We have garage door entrance, and we also have a drop-off area. They're showing it with floating shelves and cabinets, which is a combination of both, which is kind of nice, actually. If you're going to build from the ground up, this will be an added upgrade onto the base price. If you're going with a quick move-in, they may or may not have some of this, all of this, or none of it. If you want it and they don't have it with your quick move-in, like I always tell you, all you have to do is let me know. I have recommendations and referrals for all the trades and vendors you may need. Walking past this, you know what this is? Dun, da, da, da. This is your favorite room. Yay! And of course, they're showing it with cabinets, uppers and lowers. Quick move-in, most likely I would say will not have it. Sometimes they do put it in. If you're building from the ground up and you want it, that will be an added upgrade onto your base price as well. And then at the very end, they're giving you more storage, which is kind of nice. Right there. Very, very nice. Remember, you already have a linen closet for the secondary guest bedroom. So it's just kind of nice to have an added closet. So as we walk on out, again, that's your garage door entrance, drop-off area. Isn't that nice? And then out to the hallway, front door, backing up. Now we're going into the main part of the house. Kitchen, dining, family room. Very nice. Go ahead and enjoy. Alrighty now, so let's go ahead and bring you back into the kitchen. And one thing you notice, what do you notice? Look how long that kitchen island is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chairs. You definitely could put 6 there. That is a very, very long island. I'll give you another look at it from right here. That's probably one of the longest islands I've seen in a long, long time. That is very nice. Beautiful, beautiful kitchen, gourmet kitchen. It has a wall microwave, wall oven, gas stovetop with a beautiful stainless steel hood above it. Wonderful. I'll give you a look at the island on this side. And then even into the family room, dining room, it's so open, spacious. You got lots of natural light coming in. You got those 4-panel glass slider doors. You got another big window out to the back and another window out to the side. Just lots of natural light coming in here. And just look at that. Really, really nice here. I will stand in the middle of the island here, give you a look at what it's going to be. And I'll just have to glance back and forth out of here. You have a lot of room here. You're not going to feel cramped and crowded. Not only is there a lot of light coming in, like I already mentioned, but just so much room here. And just look at the space between the dining room and then the living room area, and then the space between the dining table and the room. Just lots of room. You can put any size and shape table you want in there, and you're not going to feel cramped and crowded in here at all. Look at that. Isn't that nice? I'll bring you on in, get a better look, a closer look at it. I know I already brought you through it one other time. Sometimes it's always nice to get another angle on it. Look how much space you have right here. And then over here. You're not going to pull out the chair and go, oh my gosh, it's going to hit the wall. I can barely get into the chair. You're not going to have that feeling at all. It's really, really nice. Very open, very spacious. You know, for a home that's 1837 square feet, you would think that it's going to be tighter fit. You know, not a whole lot of room, not a whole lot of elbow room. But in the main part of this house right here alone, There is just so much space right here. And for the price on that is just great. The base price, $454,990, like I already mentioned. What do you think of this home? I think it's pretty nice. And if you want the guide, my guide that I offer, the do's and don'ts to buying a new build, all you have to do is text the number on the screen, new, and we will get that out to you. And if you also would like homes that are under $500,000, text the number on the screen again and text 500, and we will get that list put together and out to you as well. So let's walk past the kitchen into the pantry, show you this. Very nice. Very, very nice. This is a nice home. I would really love to read your comments and thoughts on this. So let's walk past on this, take you into the primary room. And look how big this room is. Nice big window out to the backyard. 2 windows out to the side to bring in some natural light. And it goes over here too. Very nice sized room. And then walking past this into the bathroom. Right here. Split sinks, my favorite. If I don't have split sinks, I want lots of space in between the sinks. I need elbow room. You have plenty of room down here. You're not going to feel all crowded and squished and mushed. Plenty of space to do whatever you need to do. You have a walk-in shower right here. So this floor plan is not going to be able to have a tub. If you are someone who wants a tub, this won't work. But I would tell you, this walk-in shower right here, this is a very nice size. It's not the standard that feels like 3 by 3. This is a nice size shower, actually. Nice window above to bring in more natural light. And then next to it, as you can see, is your water closet with a window. Very nice. I'm going to give you a head-on view of this vanity right here. And I'll go all the way up. And then I'll go over to the other one. And I'll go all the way up for you. And then right in between here, walking past, is going to be your closet. Okay, if there is a check mark against it, it would be this. The closet is kind of small. But everything else is fantastic. But you know what? Considering it's 1,800 square feet, a little over, this is still a nice size closet size. Coming out of it, there's another look of the shower. And as we exit out of here, brings us right into the primary room. Then as we exit out, this brings us right into the main part of the house, the family room, kitchen, and dining, which is the main part of the house. This is the heart of the house. This is where you always gather. This is where you spend most of your time, right here. And this, I think, in my humble opinion, is very, very nice. What do you think? Okay, so let's go ahead and take you on outside. And just in case this is not the house for you, or this is not the community for you, we can find it for you. You know, I've been in the business for over 20 years. I do both resale and new builds. So we're going to have you protected no matter what avenue and direction you want to go down. We've got your back covered from beginning to end and everything in between, like I always say, because I truly do mean it. And another thing that we're going to do for you, we're not going to just sell you a house and close on it. We're going to stay in contact with you even after the closing. We're going to make sure everything's okay. If you need anything, any resources, we want to be there for you. We're going to be there for you throughout the process and even after. It's about building a relationship with you, not just selling you a house. Look at that nice patio. It covers almost the entire back part of the home. They're showing it with pavers, artificial turf, shrubberies and gravel that get along well out here in the Arizona weather. The lot sizes out here, they range between 6,500 all the way up to 20,000 square feet. So if you want a small lot, a big lot, all you have to do is let us know. And as far as the size of the pool that you want in your backyard, if you want one, you're going to need my help with that as well. Because the HOA does not have a pool out here, you're going to need to get one built. And we do have recommendations and referrals for landscapers, pool people, plumbers, electricians, whatever you want to need, we have it. Like I said, it's part of our service that we offer all of our clients. We want to make sure you're well taken care of from the beginning and even beyond. Give you another angle here. And if you like this area, but you just want a different floor plan, a bigger house, all you have to do is let me know. We will find whatever it is you want, whether it's new build or resale. Let's take you back inside. That is just so pretty, isn't it? I like it. So, you know, like I said already, for 1837 square feet, this is really nice. I would love to hear and read all about your comments and your thoughts on this house. Alrighty now, so here's the FYI for you, the home buyer, and don't fast forward past this because it's that important, and that's exactly why I put it in every video. For you, the buyer, the FYI for you, the buyer. Whenever, every single time you go into a new build, do not go there by yourself. Always remember to bring your realtor. In fact, always remember to bring us, because the person inside, as nice and sweet as they are going to be to you, and they will be nice and sweet to you, who do they work for? They don't work for you. They work for the builder and they work for the seller. And when you're buying your largest and biggest asset you normally buy in your lifetime, don't you want to make sure it turns out exactly the way you want it to? Of course you do. And don't you want to make sure whoever's working for you is only working for you, not you and the seller, not you and the builder? That's called exclusive representation, and that's exactly what we would be doing for you. We would have your back from beginning to end and everything in between. We'd be guiding you, protecting you, and representing you throughout the whole process. So very important here, do not go inside and register, do not go online and register. Once you do that, you lose the opportunity to have your back covered throughout the whole process. So don't be shy. Call me, text me, email me. I'd be so honored to work for you. Alrighty now, so what did you think of this home? This is an absolutely really beautiful home. And again, we are in Waddell, Arizona, in a community. It's called White Tank Vistas, and our builder is Mattamy Homes. The recap on this home, I have to look at my sheet for you. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage, 1837 square feet for the base price of $454,990. Not bad. However, if you want a quick move-in and you don't want to go through all that building stage, which I don't blame you, they have a quick move-in right now available. How about $476,22? The ground build-up time, if that's the road you want to go down, you just need about 7 to 8 months for that. But if you don't want to wait that long, which I kind of don't blame you, like I said, they have a quick move-in of this home. If this is not the one you want, but you want to build in this area, or you want to move in this area with a quick move-in, they have so many floor plans that you can choose from. All you have to do is call me, text me, email me, and we'll get the one that you want to call Home Sweet Home. The HOA out here is $129 a month, and what exactly do you get? You don't get much of anything. You get common maintenance taken care of. What you really get out here, not included with your HOA, it's the availability of living near the White Tank Mountains. Like I mentioned earlier, if you are an outdoor enthusiast, you love to hike, you love to bike, you just like being outside near the White Tank Mountains or any type of mountains, you're definitely going to want to consider this area. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. It's peaceful, it's quiet, it's really, really nice. Lot sizes, as I mentioned earlier as well, they range between 6,500 square feet all the way up to 20,000 square feet. So if you want a larger lot, we can get you one. If you want a bigger home on a larger lot, we can get that for you as well. Whatever you're wanting, dreaming, and desiring, all you have to do is let us know, and we will definitely find it for you, whether it's a new build or a resale. And just in case you forgot who I am, or maybe you don't know who I am, my name is Mary Kay Marino, and welcome to Hello Arizona Living and Real Estate. We get calls, texts, emails almost every single day from people just like you, looking for help to make a move to Arizona, and we absolutely love it. So whether you live in-state, out-of-state, or even out of the country, we're here to help serve and support you at the highest level possible. And as far as your time frame, days, minutes, weeks, or even years, that's okay too, because we're going to make sure your transition and your transaction is smooth and enjoyable all the way across that finish line, the home ownership out here in Arizona. So don't be bashful and don't be shy. Call me, text me, email me, whatever your mode of communication is, contact us. I would be honored to work for you. I would be honored to meet you, and I would be honored to help you. So like I always say, till I see you around town next time, show you around town next time, you have a marvelous, awesome, incredible day. Bye for now, and I'll see you next time.